Welcome back to Car Updated, your go-to channel for detailed and passionate car reviews. And today, we are diving into one of the most emotional and iconic machines ever created. This video is all about a Ferrari sports car finished in the legendary red color, a shade that represents speed, racing heritage, and pure automotive passion. Ferrari is not just a brand, it is a feeling. And this car is designed to deliver excitement every single second you spend with it. Asterisk, the moment this red Ferrari appears in front of you, it instantly captures your attention. The front design is low, wide, and extremely aggressive, clearly built to slice through the air. The sculpted hood flows smoothly toward the sharp nose, while the large front air intakes are carefully designed to cool the engine and enhance aerodynamic performance. The slim LED headlights give the car a focused and angry look, as if it's ready to attack the road ahead. Every line at the front serves a purpose, blending beauty with performance. And the Ferrari badge sitting proudly on the nose reminds you that this machine comes from decades of racing excellence. Asterisk, as you move toward the sides and rear, the red paint highlights every curve and contour perfectly. Ferrari's design language makes the car look fast even when standing still. The side profile is clean and flowing, with sculpted panels that guide air smoothly along the body. The large alloy wheels and low-profile tires add to the aggressive stance, while the low roofline and wide body give the car a planted and confident look. At the back, the design becomes even more dramatic. The slim LED taillights, aggressive rear diffuser, and signature exhaust outlets create a powerful visual impact. The rear end looks stable and muscular, clearly designed for high-speed driving and maximum performance. Asterisk, step inside the Ferrari, and the cabin instantly makes you feel like you're in a race-inspired luxury cockpit. Everything inside is built around the driver. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and high-quality materials cover every surface, creating a perfect balance between luxury and sportiness. The seats are low and supportive, holding you firmly in place during hard acceleration and cornering, while still remaining comfortable for longer drives. The steering wheel is packed with controls, allowing you to change driving modes and performance settings without taking your hands off it. The digital displays are sharp, modern, and easy to read, giving you all the important information right in front of your eyes. The overall interior feels exclusive, focused, and emotional. Exactly what you expect from a Ferrari. Asterisk, when it comes to performance, this Ferrari truly comes alive. The engine delivers breathtaking power and an unforgettable sound that sends chills down your spine. Acceleration is instant and aggressive, pushing you back into your seat as the car launches forward. The steering is incredibly precise, making every turn feel sharp and controlled. The suspension is tuned to provide a perfect balance between comfort and performance, allowing the car to feel stable at high speeds while still being enjoyable on normal roads. This is a car that responds instantly to your inputs, creating a deep connection between driver and machine. Asterisk, in terms of pricing. A Ferrari sports car sits in the premium luxury performance segment. This is not a car designed for everyone, and that exclusivity is part of its appeal. You are paying for world-class performance, stunning design, advanced engineering, and the legendary Ferrari name. Ownership costs and maintenance are higher than average, but for true enthusiasts, the experience is worth every penny. Asterisk, if you are considering buying a Ferrari, this car is perfect for those who value emotion, performance, and design over practicality. It's ideal for weekend drives, special occasions, and anyone who wants to feel something special every time they turn the key. My suggestion is to buy this car with your heart, not your calculator, because Ferraris are built to be experienced, not just owned. Asterisk, that brings us to the end of today's detailed review of this stunning red Ferrari sports car. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to Car Updated, and share it with fellow car lovers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another incredible machine.